Hello friends, welcome to Adventures in Food with Howard. If this is your first time here, thank you for watching. If you've been here before, then welcome back. This video is the first in a new series that I call Quick, Simple, and Easy. These recipes will all have the common theme of being quick to make, not very many ingredients, and so easy that anyone can make this. If you've ever bought a big package of corn tortillas for a recipe like enchiladas, and you wonder what to do with all the leftover tortillas, here's a quick, simple, and easy solution. Turn them into tortilla chips. All you need for this recipe are 3 ingredients: a stack of corn tortillas, vegetable oil for brushing on the tortillas, and either salt or a chili lime seasoning blend for sprinkling on the tortillas. If you want to be ambitious, you could even make your own seasoning blend. The first thing you'll want to do is to turn your oven on to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then brush the top side of each tortilla very liberally with the vegetable oil. I'm using a flavorless canola oil, although you could use your favorite oil, including extra virgin olive oil, melted lard, or even melted butter. Those would be delicious. Once you have brushed oil on one side of the tortilla, make sure to put the dry side of the tortilla on top of the oil side, as you see me doing here. Holding your seasoning up high, sprinkle the seasoning over the oiled side of the tortilla, and then stack them seasoned side up. If you want to make these without any salt or seasoning, then go ahead and cut them into tortilla chip wedges and bake them now. But I like to season my tortilla chips before I bake them so that the salty seasoning is baked right into the chips. After you've finished seasoning all the tortillas, take a piece of plastic wrap and put it on top of your stack of tortillas and press down. Take your bottom tortilla from the stack and place it on top of the stack, seasoned side up. You may need to add some oil to the tortilla underneath this new top piece. Then take your plastic and put it on top of the stack of tortillas and repeat the process of pressing down on the stack. Your tortillas will now be oiled and seasoned, and they're ready for cutting into tortilla chips. Taking a sharp knife, cut the entire stack of tortillas along the equator so that you have 2 half-moon shapes. Cut these half-moon shapes into thirds if you like big tortilla chips. I prefer smaller tortilla chips, so I cut the half-moon shapes in half and then cut those halves in half again so that each tortilla has been cut into 8 wedges. A standard size sheet pan will hold the equivalent of 6 tortillas cut into wedges. Shingle the tortilla wedges onto your sheet pan as I'm showing here so that you can get the maximum number of chips onto your pan. There's no need to line or oil your pan since these chips are not going to stick or make a big mess in your pan. Once your sheet pan is full, place it in a preheated 375 degree Fahrenheit oven. Since each oven is different, I would begin checking your tortilla chips after about 10 minutes. My oven generally takes about 15 minutes to turn tortilla wedges into golden, crispy, and delicious tortilla chips. Remove them from the pan or they will continue to cook. Just listen to how crispy and crunchy they are. Enjoy them by themselves or with your favorite salsa or dip. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe, comment, and give it a big thumbs up. I always enjoy hearing from you. Please join me next time for Adventures in Food with Howard. Bye for now.